How to fix Snapchat front camera on Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just follow this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open your settings of your phone and you will go directly to apps or application. Then you will find and have all the application that you have on your phone. You will find it here. You will search now just for Snapchat. When you found it, just open it like this and go to storage. Then on storage, go to clear data, then click OK and back again to first tab and click OK, and now your problem will fix correctly on Snapchat. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.